The Sonos XR A80J OLED TV, the price has been released. This is the most affordable OLED TV I pretty much have seen after launch, and it's crazy. I'll go down to the price, but the price is really enticing, especially for the 77-inch model. Not too long ago, barely a year or two back, a 77-inch OLED TV would cost you at least 25 to $30,000. But right now, you won't believe what the price for this is. It's literally crazy. So price for this thing starts out at 2,800 US dollars for the 55-inch model. The 65-inch model is $3,800, while the 77-inch model is priced at a whopping $5,800. This is the most affordable 77-inch OLED TV I have seen till date. It is incredible the value you are getting right now for the money. In fact, for the fact that you just paid, because barely 2 years ago, the last OLED TV that came out 2 years ago, the 65-inch model was priced around $6,000. Yes, LG OLED TVs 2 years ago, 65-inch variants were priced at $6,000. Even some were $7,000. They're G and W series. So this was really a big deal that you can now get a 77-inch OLED. And by the way, 2 years back, 77-inch OLED TVs from any manufacturer was priced at a ridiculous 20 to $25,000. That was the price officially 2 years back. So just to know that 2 years before now, you're getting a good you're getting high prices, then now you're getting crazy affordable prices. Quite nice. The TV is coming with a new processor chip, the X1 chip. It also supports Dolby Atmos pass through. It's it pretty much streams videos very well. It supports lossless Blu-ray codec. The stream is very good, up to 80 megabits per second. It's uh it's really cool overall. So that's just uh that's just the thing here. They also launched their LED TVs, the X80J series, their X80 and 81J series. Those ones are very affordable. The prices for those ones are not too bad. $1,000 will get you the 43-inch model. I don't really think that is a good value, but you can get the 50-inch model for 1,100 US dollar. 55-inch model is $1,250. 65-inch model is 1,500 US dollars, while the 77-inch model is priced at $2,000. So that is it. Um you can check your local Best Buy, and I don't know whether Amazon would have this anytime soon, but you can check some vendors like Best Buy and boutique e-commerce stores would definitely sell this TV. So that's just it. Do subscribe to our channel. Do like our content. Follow on social media. I'm going to see you guys next time.